The Lite phone is a cell phone that was launched last year with an interesting premise: remove all the strange and annoying parts of modern smartphones, such as the internet, text messages, email and photography, to leave the distilled essence of a phone. He could make calls and store 9 phone numbers, but that was all. It was an interesting idea, one that promised a life in which I could eliminate the distractions of a common smartphone without completely cutting off the rest of the world, but ultimately it was too limited. The Lite Phone 2 is the successor of the original Lite phone, and it stops the same minimalist idea but adds some more features to make it more feasible to use as a normal phone. Lite Phone 2 shares the same matte design of the original, but instead of a lighted 10-digit numeric keypad, it has an e-ink touchscreen. It also has 4G support and some new features, including the ability to send text messages. Lite is also exploring adding some more advanced features, such as basic maps, music or ride in a company like Uber. Unlike the original Lite phone, which only worked with phone calls and it was easier to forward things from your main phone, the Lite Phone 2 is meant to be more of an independent device.